Hello guys, this is my first video, so don't hate. What's up guys, today we're going to be trying Humble Kids again, like we did last video. Uh-huh. Okay, first kid to go against. Go.
Bombocat!
Bro, how did this go from no rules to this, bro?
Can anyone here talk?
Yeah, I'm talking right now.
Wait, is that my teammate who can talk?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
You're a YouTuber?
Well, I was, but not in VR.
No, bro, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh. Today, I already made a video a few minutes ago, but right now, I'm gonna try Humble, like, kids, like, toxic.
I'm a TikToker. Do you want me to be in your video and I can, maybe post you on TikTok and you can go viral, maybe?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not even viral, but I'm trying to get, and I'm actually growing very quickly, yeah. I started mid-October and I already have 14 followers.
Oh. Wait. Guys, don't touch it. I'm gonna try to score in a whole different goal. Where's the ball? What?
Pass it. Pass it.
I can't. There's like too many kids on me. But it's like, bro, stop freaking pressuring, bro. Wait. Wait, was that my goal? Whose goal was that?
That was yours.
Oh.
My teammates. Teammate, lock in, holy.
It's a small net.
I think we have our first toxic kid, bro. This kid is already, like, mad.
That's not even toxic. He's just saying teammate. Holy.
I know.
I know,
I've
right?
experienced actual toxic players.
Buddy.
I've experienced actual toxic players. That's not even toxic.
I'm not a toxic player, I swear.
Once I was called the N-word and was told
Same, bro. I was playing this game and this
I'm
white
gonna
kid
say
kept
it.
on. This white kid kept on saying the N-word like 10 times.
Sometimes I get a little heated and sometimes I accidentally call people slurs.
Oh.
No, I'd be saying the N-word so many times and I got reported 6 times.
What?
No, I don't even mean to call people.
What a goal!
Bombocat! Bomb!
I just randomly say it.
Teammate,
It comes out
let
of
me
my
hit it. Let me hit it. Teammate. Teammate, holy.
Oh, he still
Oh, never
scored
mind,
though.
you got that, teammate. You got that. Oh,
Wait, can I score here? Though?
watch the clutch.
Top
Bombocat!
bins!
Nah, but let me hit this, teammate. I got this. Watch this. Teammate.
Intercept.
That's
over.
What you on about?
What's your teammate doing? Where even is your teammate?
No
Hold on. Wait, hold on. Bro, I'm trying to score in a whole different goal. Like, there's another goal over there.
No! Teammate, what are you doing? Teammate, what are you doing? Teammate.
Yeah, I'm being
Okay, guys, today, I already started the intro, but we're going to go into another match. Okay, I'm back in this. Wait. What? My bad. Wait. Wait. Oh, bro. How'd I miss that first shot, though, bro? It was a wide open shot. How'd I miss? Oh, is there a ball? Teammate. What? Bro, why is this kid so tiny? Okay. Hold on, I want to do a different. Oh, 1v1s. This is where most of the toxic kids are. Or should I just switch the video? Should I just like play for fun, bro? I don't know yet. No rules. My bad chat, my bad chat, my bad chat. Okay, we're back, guys.
How do you guys get those cleats?
Battle pass.
Battle pass.
Battle pass. That makes sense.
First level.
Here.
Yes.
I'm recording, guys.
That's fine.
Huh? Please miss this. Miss it.
Like.
I'll be.
Teammate, top of the box.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Hi. Okay, that'll be it for today's video. I'll see you guys in probably 2 hours.
Remember,
Bye.
attack.
All of these sound effects was made by Capcut, so yeah.